Are you tired of working on makeshift surfaces that wobble with every hammer strike? Do you need a reliable workspace that can follow you from garage to job site? Whether you're a weekend DIYer or a professional contractor, having the right portable workbench can make all the difference in your projects. Today, we're counting down the 7 best portable workbenches on the market, putting each through rigorous testing to help you find the perfect match for your needs. 7. Worx WX066 Sidekick Portable Work Table. The Worx Sidekick is a lightweight contender in the portable workbench arena, weighing in at just 12.6 pounds. This makes it exceptionally easy to carry from your workshop to your yard or throw in the back of your truck for a job site visit. The high-grade plastic bench top is designed to withstand typical workshop abuse, while the steel legs with rubber feet provide a reasonably stable base. When testing the Sidekick, I was immediately impressed by its unorthodox 2-piece design that still managed to set up quickly. The work surface is covered with helpful measurements and reference marks that proved useful during various cutting and assembly tasks. The bench dogs included with the table are surprisingly high quality, offering solid holding power for smaller workpieces. One area where the Sidekick falls short is its overall stability. While rated to hold up to 300 pounds, I found that the lightweight nature of this bench caused it to shift slightly during more aggressive work, like planing or heavy sanding. This isn't a deal breaker for light-duty tasks, but it's something to consider if you're planning more substantial projects. The lack of included squeeze clamps is another disappointment. While the bench dogs work well for rectangular pieces, having integrated clamps would have significantly increased this workbench's versatility. You'll need to purchase clamps separately, adding to the overall cost of this setup. Despite these limitations, the Sidekick does offer excellent value for those needing a super portable option for light to medium work. I particularly appreciated the ability to link multiple Worx tables together, creating a larger work surface when needed. 6. Keter Folding Work Table. The Keter Folding Work Table presents itself as a versatile option for DIYers seeking portability without sacrificing work surface. Made from a combination of metal and ABS plastic, this workbench folds into a convenient briefcase shape that's just 4.5 inches thick when collapsed, making it easy to store in tight spaces or transport to different locations. During my testing, I found the setup process remarkably straightforward. The table unfolds quickly. My personal record was 27 seconds from closed to fully operational. The locking mechanism engages with a satisfying click, confirming that the center and side supports are securely in place. This gave me confidence when placing heavier materials on the surface. The integrated clamping system is where this table really tries to shine. The included 12-inch ratcheting clamps can be mounted either vertically or horizontally, providing flexibility for securing various workpieces. I tested this feature by routing butterfly inlay keys and gluing up a cutting board, finding that the clamps held firmly for most applications. However, I noticed some concerning flex in the table when using it as a miter saw station. While the manufacturer claims it can support up to 1,000 pounds, the plastic construction doesn't inspire the same confidence as some of the sturdier metal options on our list. During extended cutting sessions, I observed slight movement that could potentially affect precision for fine woodworking tasks. The plastic surface, while practical for cleaning, is another limitation. It's prone to getting nicked and scratched during regular use, and I found myself frequently adding a sacrificial piece of wood to protect the tabletop. This extra step becomes tedious for quick tasks where you just want to get to work immediately. Number 5. BLACK+DECKER WM425A Portable Project Center. The BLACK+DECKER WM425A continues the legacy of the iconic Workmate line that has been a staple in workshops for decades. This versatile workbench functions as both a work table and sawhorse, making it a practical choice for various projects from carpentry to automotive work. When I unpacked this workbench, I was immediately impressed by its sturdy construction. The heavy-gauge steel frame provides excellent stability, while the bamboo laminate worktop offers a durable surface that can withstand significant abuse. Setting it up was straightforward, with the dual-height legs adjusting easily to accommodate different working positions or uneven surfaces. The standout feature of the WM425A is its versatile clamping system. The adjustable jaws open to 7.5 inches for parallel clamping, while the 4 included swivel pegs allow for securing irregular shapes with up to 30 inches of diagonal clamping capacity. During my testing, I found this system particularly useful when working on oddly shaped pieces that would be difficult to secure on other workbenches. With a weight capacity of 550 pounds, this workbench handled everything from my miter saw to heavy lumber without any signs of strain. The solid construction inspired confidence even when applying significant downward pressure during planing operations. The relatively compact folded size makes it reasonable to transport, though at 40.5 pounds, it's not the lightest option available. One aspect I particularly appreciated was the vertical clamping capability, which allowed me to secure pieces upright for drilling or detailed work. This versatility makes the BLACK+DECKER WM425A suitable for a wide range of projects beyond simple cutting and assembly. Number 4. Worx Pegasus 2-in-1 Folding Work Table. The Worx Pegasus represents a significant step up in the portable workbench category, offering a truly versatile 2-in-1 design that functions as both a full work table and a sawhorse. Made from high-grade plastic with metal reinforcements, this workbench strikes an excellent balance between durability and portability. One of the most impressive aspects of the Pegasus is that it requires absolutely zero assembly out of the box. During my testing, I was able to unfold it and have a fully functional workspace in seconds. The sliding latches that secure the wings are ingeniously designed, providing rock-solid stability when in table mode, while allowing quick conversion to sawhorse configuration when needed. The built-in clamping system is where the Pegasus truly shines. The included clamps store neatly under the wings when not in use and provide exceptional holding power for a variety of materials. I found them particularly effective when securing dimensional lumber for cutting operations. The bench dogs further enhance the table's versatility, allowing for secure positioning of workpieces without relying solely on the clamps. With a weight capacity of 300 pounds in table mode and an impressive 1,000 pounds as a sawhorse, the Pegasus handled everything I threw at it with confidence. Even when using my miter saw for extended cutting sessions, the table remained stable and secure. The ability to link multiple works tables together is another thoughtful feature, allowing you to create a larger work surface for bigger projects. 3. Disston 30146A OmniTable. The Disston 30146A OmniTable takes versatility to a whole new level with its innovative 4-in-1 design that functions as a workbench, work table, dolly, and floor creeper. This multi-purpose approach makes it an excellent choice for professionals who need maximum functionality from a single tool. During my testing, I was immediately impressed by the OmniTable's substantial work surface, measuring 37.5 by 18.3 inches. This provided ample space for larger projects while still maintaining a reasonable footprint when folded. The adjustable height feature proved particularly useful, allowing me to customize the working position based on the specific task at hand. The build quality of the OmniTable is exceptional, with a sturdy construction that easily supports its rated 500-pound capacity. Despite this robustness, the table weighs only 32 pounds, making it surprisingly manageable to transport between locations. The folding mechanism operates smoothly, transforming the workbench into its various configurations with minimal effort. I found the integrated features particularly thoughtful during extended use. The built-in 110-volt power strip eliminated the need for extension cords when using power tools, while the ruler protractor markings on the surface provided convenient reference points for measurements. The dedicated drill hole and steel hammer surface further enhanced the functionality, allowing for more specialized tasks without requiring additional accessories. Perhaps most impressive was the OmniTable's storage capabilities. The inline accessory compartments kept screws, nails, and drill bits organized and within easy reach, significantly improving workflow efficiency during complex projects. 2. Pony Portable Folding Work Table. The Pony Portable Folding Work Table immediately stands out as a professional-grade option that combines exceptional stability with thoughtful design features. This transformer-like workbench transitions seamlessly between compact storage, sawhorse configuration, and full workbench mode, making it incredibly versatile for various applications. When I first set up this table, I was impressed by the robust construction and attention to detail. The clamping system is truly outstanding, with 4 high-quality clamps that integrate directly into the table design. This means you'll always have the right clamping solution at hand, whether you're securing rectangular stock or irregularly shaped workpieces. The included bench dogs further enhance the holding capabilities, providing multiple options for securing materials. The stability of the Pony workbench during operation is remarkable. Even when using power tools that generate significant vibration, the table remained firmly planted without the wobbling that plagues many portable options. This stability inspired confidence when working on precision cuts and detailed joinery that require a rock-solid foundation. I was particularly impressed with how the table handled different types of projects. From serving as a solid base for my miter saw to providing a stable platform for intricate hand tool work, the Pony adapted seamlessly to each task. The adjustable height feature proved invaluable when switching between different types of work, allowing me to optimize the working position based on the specific requirements of each project. The thoughtful storage design means this workbench folds down to a surprisingly compact package despite its robust construction. 1. COSCO SmartFold Portable Workbench. The COSCO SmartFold Portable Workbench claims the top spot on our list by delivering an unmatched combination of durability, functionality, and thoughtful design. This industrial-strength workbench is built to handle the demands of both professional contractors and serious DIY enthusiasts. From the moment I wheeled this workbench into my shop, I was impressed by its substantial construction. The steel frame provides exceptional stability, while the high-quality MDF top offers a generous 48 by 23. 5-inch work surface that accommodated even my largest projects with room to spare. Despite this robust build, the innovative folding mechanism allowed me to collapse the entire unit in seconds for easy storage and transportation. The SmartFold's weight capacity is truly impressive, supporting up to 350 pounds on the top shelf and an additional 250 pounds on the bottom shelf for a combined capacity of 600 pounds. During my testing, this translated to rock-solid performance, even when loaded with heavy power tools and materials. The 4 locking casters proved invaluable, allowing me to easily position the workbench exactly where needed and then lock it securely in place during operation. What truly sets the SmartFold apart is its thoughtful design that anticipates real-world needs. The bottom shelf provided convenient storage for tools and materials, keeping everything organized and within reach during complex projects. The height of the work surface, 34 inches, proved ideal for extended use, reducing back strain during longer work sessions. The smooth rolling casters made repositioning effortless even when the bench was fully loaded. Final thought. So there you have it, the 7 best portable workbenches available today. Whether you need a lightweight option for occasional use or a heavy-duty platform for professional applications, there's a perfect match for your specific requirements. Invest in the right portable workbench, and you'll wonder how you ever managed without it.